name is Shai. Today I'm bringing you some more Zhou Shen. This week has just been a Zhou Shen week. This time I'm checking out his performance on Singer 2020. This is the right show. With a song which is translated to Ring the Doorbell to listen to it myself. Not sure how 100% accurate it is. I'm gonna get straight into this. I'm looking forward, like I said in my previous reactions, I am very much looking forward to reacting more of Zhou Shen. So without further ado, this is Zhou Shen with Ring the Doorbell to listen to it myself. Not sure if that's accurate, but here we go. Creepy vibe to it.哇！ how fucking high does this man's vocals go? I am genuinely curious. It's like, because I feel like every time I listen to him, it is like higher than the last one I've listened to. This gave me like a creepy factor. No, hold up. Wait a minute. Let me see if I can find this. Ring the doorbell yourself. This is English subs, or English subs, translation. Oh, is this an original song? First, it kind of gives, it does have like a kind of, like, the, I don't know if it's just me, because like the blog I'm looking at says the affectionate singing. I'm like, huh? Kind of gave me a creepy vibe. But anyway, press the doorbell by yourself. There's sorry, I'm looking at the so the lyrics are more like the self-struggle of a lonely person, the self-talk of a literati. I was gonna say, like I said, it's kind of like a creepy kind of vibe, like it kind of gave me like the same vibe I felt with the Song of Paradise Island, except the Song of Paradise Island was way more creepier. Like probably more so because of the fact that I listened to that at like 9 o'clock at night. But Ring the Doorbell itself, here are the lyrics. These may or may not be accurate. So if anyone has better lyrics, please do let me know. I will pin your comments on top. I'll pin your comment. Winter arrives late. You have my address. There's a key in the mailbox nobody knows. You are my tears. Roses on the strings. It's a good party at dawn. I'll ring the doorbell by myself and listen. You've grown, you've faded. My own eyes, my own sickness, my own hideous. We'll ring the doorbell and listen. I'll ring the doorbell by myself and listen. You've grown, you've faded. My own eyes, my own sickness, my own hideous. Probably with like hideousness or like hideous self. When you die, I will organize your manuscript. Sell them all for a ticket. I'm your child. I understand your poetry. I'm your eraser, your paper. You have to ring the doorbell by yourself and listen. You've grown, you've faded. My own eyes, my own sickness, my own hideous self. Something. We'll ring the doorbell and listen. You've grown, you've faded, etc., etc. Calm yourself. Who wakes up at the door? Who wakes up at the door? All right, that's it. Where are you now? You must be restless. I'll prove it. Who's leaving the door? So it does sound. Looking at these lyrics, although they may not be accurate, kind of looks like it's like kind of like an inner demon. Not inner demon, but like that when you're. I guess this is a perspective of like a writer, I guess. So it's like kind of like the angel and the devil talking to you, and it's just like, in this case, it's kind of like an incessant voice that's telling you like, you know, like when you especially when you have that kind of loneliness, it's just like you have that kind of voice in the back of your head that's telling you things, and it's just like, because especially the line, when you die, I will. So it's like this whoever is like talking is just part of that person, and this is like kind of maybe that kind of incessant like evil kind of voice that's stuck in your head, which is kind of ups the kind of creepy factor with this kind of song. Like I said, like his breathy tone and his range just adds to this song, and this is like, I'm genuinely curious as to how high he can sing, because I feel like every time I listen to Zhou Shen, there is something new. Like there's new, like higher range that I never knew he could reach. So like I said, I'm looking very much forward to reacting to more of Zhou Shen, and cannot wait to see more. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.